today's video, meron ako mga bagong, like, legit bagong launch na skincare na i-share sa inyo. And at the same time, I'm going to use products na I don't usually use on my channel, but are actually good, like, really good. By the way, pagpasensyahan nyo na pagsasalita ko para akong may arsh effect going on because I have retainers at the bottom of my, sa lower teeth ko. Because when I got pregnant, parang there's something happened on my teeth, parang lumuwag siya. Alam mo yun? Basta parang gumalaw siya and everything, so niremedyohan ko ng bonggang-bongga. Anyway, welcome to our Get Ready With Me for today, and yeah, let's get started. First products I want to show you guys is itong bagong launch na Dear Face. Ayan. So, ang chika, sister company to ng our beloved Skin Potions. Nahin natin itong Dear Face Radiant Glow Soap. It's revitalizing, brightening, pimple drying. Okay? And suitable for sensitive, acne-prone skin. Next naman is itong Dear Face Pinkish Glow Soap. Ito naman, smoothening, brightening, lightening, and suitable din for sensitive acne-prone skin. Ano siya ha? Take note. Paraben-free and cruelty-free. Next products, you guys, meron tayong dalawang toner. Cutie pie! So, etong una is called the Radiance Toner and also suitable for acne-prone skin. Exfoliating, lightening, age-defying. Oh my God! Ito namang isa is called the Poreless Toner. Pore minimizing, brightening, and nourishing. So, yun yung pinagkaiba nitong dalawa. Ako, for today's video, I'm going to use both because for my skin on my skin type, I don't find any problem with layering toners. Product guys, meron tayong mga day cream. Etong una. It's called the Daily Sunblock. And suitable din siya for sensitive acne-prone skin. Ito namang isa is, it's called the Double Protection Day Cream. Suitable for all skin types naman to. So, ito pwede sa'yo kapag ka, alam mo yun, wala ka namang problema sa acne or sa pimples and everything. This one is SPF 50. Oh my God, UVA plus UVB protection. This one is SPF 30. Ngayon naman, meron siyang partner na night cream. Ito yung Rosy Night Cream, smoothening, brightening, pimple drying. Ito namang isa is yung Fresh Night Cream, revitalizing, brightening, and pimple drying din. Unahin ko muna itong Poreless Toner. Comment dun sa isang video ko na kapag exfoliating toner daw. Tama ba? Dapat daw gumamit ng bulak. Eh, sige, gagamit ako ng bulak ko. You know naman me guys, I also take your advice. Hindi lang naman ako yung, ano mo yun, marunong sa skincare or makeup. So, lumipas na ang few minutes. Now, let's go for the next one. Yung Radiance Toner. Iba rin yung amoy nito. And of course guys, lagyan nyo rin ng toner yung mga neck nyo. Siguro itong SPF 50 ilalagay ko dun sa areas. Ay, ang cute! Oh! It's so tiny but meron pa rin siyang like cover. Ilalagay ko yung SPF 50 dun sa mga areas na I have blemishes. In fairness, ano siya? Siya yung sunblock na hindi, ang tawag dito, tacky. Alam mo yun? It's really, it's really parang lotion lang. SPF 30, yung Double Protection Day Cream, I am going to put it like on my entire face. Perfect! Siyempre, magpe-prep din ako for the lips. Para malambot-lambot naman siya. Alright guys, so, nagbago ang lighting natin. Okay, lumiwanag po, no? Lumabas yung araw. So, I hope nakikita nyo pa rin ako. So, I did my brows off-cam na because nothing too special. I still use yung Skin Potions na Brow of Wonder. I'm going to use itong Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Beige. I don't usually use this on cam, but I use it off cam most of the time. This is actually a really good foundation, lalo na for ang tag ito, for everyday wear. Papasok ng trabaho, kahit pupunta ka sa grocery because it's lightweight and it's light to medium buildable. I want to like brighten up this area a little bit. So, gagamit ako ng Sassy Lady Concealer. Lalagyan ko ng konting foundation. I'm gonna mix those two. And then, apply lang dyan. And perhaps dito na rin sa nose. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to set itong under eyes lang. Ito lang part na to, not really the entire face. And you guys, hindi ko pa to nagagamit on cam, pero napakita ko na to before. And this is the Fresh Skin Lab White Milk Tone Up Powder. Apply mo to gamit yung paano ka mag-apply ng baby powder on your face. Nasa gitna siya ng baby powder and cosmetic powder, if you know what I mean. So, isa-set ko lang yung dito lang. The eyeshadow I'm going to use is itong sa BLK Love Story Bridal Collection. Hindi ko ito masyado napapakita sa inyo on cam, but I use this off cam more often than I thought I would. This palette is in the shade Nude pala. So I'm going to get this shade. I am just going to apply it all over my lids. I'm going to get itong shade na ito. Then I'm going to apply generous amount dito sa gitna. Pero dahil walang dark shade to, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up itong sa Vice X and palette. Let's go for this one na lang. And then, I'm just going to focus sa outer V. Get the fluffy brush and then blend out the edges. I'm gonna go and put a little bit of eyeliner. I'm going to brush off the powder, guys. What I'm going to do is contour, guys. And I'm so sorry, wala pa rin ako mapapakitang bagong contour product. It's still Ara Colors. So let me do my contour real quick. Blush, you guys. I don't usually use this on cam, pero in fairness, ginagamit ko siya medyo madalas off cam. And this is the Vice Cosmetics BC21 Blush and Highlight Duo. But what I like to do, you guys, is dahil ang goal ko ngayon is glossy looking, I'm going to get the blush, dip it a little bit sa highlight, para meron tayong dewy blush. So, I am going to just apply it. So baka nagtataka kayo, akala ko ba, Ms. B, we're gonna do a glossy face, but why are you using powders? There's so many ways to do a dewy, glossy makeup, you guys. And I think I've done yung parang all cream, all liquid, like super moisturized face. Ngayon naman, I just want to show you how I do it using, you know, majority is powders. Pwede na ba yan? Okay. Next I'm going to do, guys, is magmi-mist muna ako. And I'm going to use itong sa Luxe Organics Beauty Mist by Anne Klutz. Generous coating, yes. And then I'm gonna let it set for a couple of minutes. And then eto ka na nga, guys. Eto yung susunod kong gagamitin. Gusto nyo ng instant dewy glass skin glossy effect na hindi kayo masyado nag-e-effort? Well, medyo nag-effort ako ngayon, but still, yung Sunny's Face face glass. I know, like, hindi ko to na-appreciate nung una na siyang lumabas kasi ang mahal niya. Pero nung nag-sale nung December, I got it for myself. My God, nasa 300 lang ata or 200 something. Kung may budget kayo, super worth it to. Kasi, para siyang moisturizer, para siyang oil, para siyang, basta, hindi siya parang super highlighter effect. More like, moisturized nga. Ano na? Wait, papakita ko na lang sa inyo how it works. Like I swear, kapag may mga araw na you look dull, you look tired, ilagay mo lang to, magmumukha kang fresh, agad-agad. It can be parang dewy-dewy effect lang, and you can layer it para magmukha siyang like blinding highlight. But I really love it, you guys. I really love it. Lalo na kapag ka, alam mo yun, moisturizer lang yung gamit ko, BB cream, and then I'll just put this on top. Oh my God. I am so... Do you see that? For the lips, you guys, I'm going to do a very quick lip liner. Parang lip contour na rin. And itong gamit ko is from Wet n Wild. If nahihirapan kang gumamit ng liquid lipstick or ng lipstick kasi hindi mo alam pantayan on your lips, try with a lip liner first. Practice with a lip liner. Shape the outline of your lips and then saka mo patungan ng lipstick. Going to use is itong Ever Banana Lip and Cheek Roll. I don't usually use this on cam, but I always use this off cam, and this is one of the best na lip tint roller, you guys. This is not our final lip color. Base color lang to, just in case mawala yung top coat natin, yung top color natin. Now, on top is dahil gusto ko nga ng glossy. Of course, we're going to use lip gloss, and you guys, isa sa mga pinaka-favorite ko talaga itong Essence Cosmetics, yung Plumping Nudes. Nakakabawas siya ng linya ng lips. At the same time, para siyang nagbibigay ng illusion na you have plumper lips. Finish everything, mist ulit tayo. Nag-check kayo sa mga bagong skincare products na pinakita ko, at the same time my not so usual products I use on cam. Hopefully I was able to give you tips and tricks on doing a dewy glossy face like this. Don't forget to follow at emo.clothing on Instagram, and then yung link ng Dear Face products sa baba din sa description box, so please don't forget to check it out. For today's video, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.